Rods.
Right.
Rods, 2 or 3 rods. Okay guys, so it's job done, fat boy. This beauty got stuck down there. She was in there and somehow she went into the pipe like this and she would not come back, forcing her way back. But we got out in the end, so we're just going to wash down now all this crap all up here